Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can customize the templates that are available in Word software. So when you open Word, you may come across this home page here. You can see I'm in the Home tab here. Across the top here you'll have templates, and over the other side you'll have more templates. If you just click on that, first of all you'll have your personal templates, that's anything you've made yourself, and then below that you'll have all of your office templates. And if you just scroll down, you can see the variety you've got here to choose from. So let's just select this one here, Catalogue, and click Create. Now Word has created all of this for you, but it can seem a bit overwhelming to know which elements you can change and how it all works and why it looks the way it does. So let's go from the top. So at the top here you can see there are these dotted lines. Now they won't print or be saved if you save this as a PDF. They are just guidelines, but you can get rid of them if you want to. This is a table, and you can tell it's a table because it's got this square with the cross in it at the top here. If you just click on that, go to Table Design at the top, go over to Borders, click on the drop down and scroll down, and you'll see this View Grid Lines. You can actually switch that off, and therefore the grid lines will disappear. So the first thing to do is add a title. All you need to do is click anywhere on this title and simply start typing. Do the same with the one below. And you can continue on down until we get to this section here. So here we have an image. If you want to change this image, just click on it, go to Insert, go to Pictures, click on the drop down. You can either select your own picture from Picture from File, or go down to Stock Images. Here at the top is a search bar, and you can search for anything you like. I'm just going to simply put in clocks, and then you can scroll down here and choose from anything. I'll just select this one here and just click Insert. Word will perfectly insert that image for you in the center, and then you can continue on down, and then we'll make some more adjustments and I'll show you how to make some more customizations. So once you're happy with that, you can go on and continue to add other things like images, tables, more text and headings, completely up to you. But if you like this but you want a few more choices, all you have to do is go up to Design, and then along the top here you've got Styles, and you can click through each style and it will actually change the complete layout for you and give you a number of different options, and you can just continue to click through. If you go to the Home tab, you've got further options over here, so you can click through these, and this will adjust only the heading your cursor is in. So you can go ahead and change the font of those as well, and that would just give you some further options. In the same way as you would normally, if you want to change the font sizes, you simply select the font, go to the Home tab, you can select from the list here, or you can use this Increase Font Size tool here, which you can just click on as many times as you want to increase or decrease that font size. And again, you can change the font color by clicking on this icon here. If you want to add a page number, double click at the bottom, make sure you're on headers and footers, go to page number, click on the drop down, select page number, then select where you'd like your page number to lie on the page, and then simply click OK. And there you've got that page number. That page number is a bit too big for me, so I'm going to go to the Home tab, just reduce the size of it, take off the bold, double click back into the main area of your text, and there you can see you've got your page number. The final thing is you can see my margin on my right is larger than my margin on my left, so if you want to change the margins, go to Layout, go to Margins, click on the drop down, select Normal, and there you can see we've evened up those margins. If you want your picture to line up with your margins, you'll have to extend it. So literally grab the corner and then just move that out to there, and that will line up with that margin. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.